Can you spot the adverb in a sentence? Let's test it with some fun questions. But first, a quick revision. What is an adverb? Adverbs are words that describe action verbs. How, when, where, or how often an action happens. Let's practice together. Question 1. The cat purrs dash. Options: A. Loudly. B. Blue. Which word describes how the cat purrs? The answer is loudly. Great start. The sun shines dash. Options are A. Brightly. B. Happy. How does the sun shine? It's brightly. Did you get that one? Question 3. Put your toys dash. Options are A. Red. B. Away. Where should the toys go? The answer is away. That's an adverb of place. Question 4. We are going to the park dash. Options are A. Tomorrow. B. Green. When are we going? Tomorrow. Adverbs tell us the time too. Question 5. The bird flew dash. Options are A. Up. B. Pretty. Where did it fly? It flew up. You're doing amazing. Final round. These are a bit faster. Question 6. The turtle moves dash. A. Slowly. B. Fastly. Be careful. Is it slowly or fastly? It's slowly. Fastly isn't a word. We just say fast. Question 7. She finished her work dash. A. Quickly. B. Quick. Quickly. Remember that Lee power. Question 8. I looked dash for my shoes. A. Everywhere. B. Blue. Everywhere. Another adverb of place. Question 9. The rain fell dash. A. Heavily. B. Heavy. Heavily. You're a pro. Question 10. Let's start the game dash. A. Now. B. Play. The final answer is now.